Hello everyone guys, in this video I will tell you about one simple and effective strategy for binary options trading using MACD indicator. If you're a beginner or want to improve your skills, this video is a perfect place to start with. We will quickly and thoroughly analyze how to set up indicator, how to find entry points and minimize risks. Are you ready? Then let's get started and move your trading to the next level. So, if you want to find more useful tips and strategies, I recommend you to join my Telegram channel via the link in the description. Now, enjoy the video! Okay, let's add the indicator to the chart right away. We go to Indicators session and add MACD indicator. But that's not all. We go to the indicator settings using this button, go to Styles, remove the histogram. Also add an extra pixel to each MACD line. So we do this so we can see the indicators from indicator quickly. Okay, now let's figure out what we will base our opening views, our decisions, and how to work with this indicator. So the MACD indicator is a trend indicator and it shows us two lines that helps us to determine the trend. The green line shows us the uptrend, and if this line is above the red line, it tells us that the market is currently moving upward. Okay. If the red line is above the green one, it tells us the overall market movement is downward. Our task is to pay attention to the intersections between these lines, as intersections tells us about the change in trend. And if we see the intersection where the green line crosses the red one from bottom to top, as like in this moment, it tells us about the upward movement and the trends change from downward to upward. If we see an intersection where the green line intersects the red one from top to bottom, it tells us about the downward movement, and accordingly the trends change from upward to downward. Our task is to open a deal as quickly as possible after the intersection, but when opening a position, we will also use confirmation factors. Now let's move on to practice. So I opened my first deal. I opened a $50 deal, downward one, and let's see what do we see on the chart. Sorry. In this situation, what we need to pay attention to is the intersection on MACD indicator. In this intersection, the green line crosses the red one from top to bottom, which indicates the trends change from upward to downward. As for confirmation factor, I can note that the nearest support level is here. It's located right here, yeah. And I expect the price to reach this level. And if we look at all of this downward movement in general, we can see good and impulsive candles in favor of seller here. These candles show us that the seller dominates here and will push the price lower. So the deal is closed in a profit and I made a net profit of $46. There was a perfect downward movement and the price even reached the support level that I indicate when explaining this situation. So let's move on. So I opened a buy deal for $75. In this situation, I saw an intersection on MACD indicator, and this intersection indicates the increase since the green line crosses the red line from bottom to top. And this tells us about the trends change from downward to upward. As for confirmation factors, I can note the breakthrough of the nearest local level of resistance, and this breakthrough occurred with a large and full-bodied candle in favor of buyer. I also see the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern here. This is a pattern consisting of two candles, whereas the second candle completely engulfs the previous candle. And in this situation, the green candlestick completely absorbs the red one. This pattern indicates the buyer's dominance at the moment. Okay, we had a confident upward movement and my balance is already $250. An excellent result. Let's move on. So I opened the buy deal. I also bet $75 and set 1 minute. And in this situation, first of all, I see an intersection on MACD indicator, and in this intersection, the green line crosses the red one from bottom to top, which indicates an increase to me. As for confirmation factors, I can note that we have a certain resistance level here, which the price had reached. As the price approached this level, the buyer produced good and impulsive candles in their favor, which indicates to me that this level has been broken through. Just look at this confident movement that's happening right now. I think this deal will be closed for 100% in a profit. An excellent result. We earned another $69 and my balance is already $284. The strategy works out just perfectly, you can see. And let's find another case to sum up results. So, I opened a 1-minute sale deal for $75. Okay. In this case, firstly, I see the intersection on MACD indicator, which means decrease to me. Since this intersection, the green line crosses the red one from top to bottom. And secondly, I see the price approaching the nearest support level. As the price approaches the support level, the buyer has made good and impulsive movements, which tells me about their dominance at the moment. And while this deal is in process, let's talk about the procedure for opening a deal step by step. The main factor for opening a deal is an intersection on MACD indicator. This is why the first thing you need to do is to find an intersection, and then you need to find confirmation factors that will confirm this intersection. And various levels and candlesticks serves as confirmation factors. By the way, my deal is closed at a profit, and I think we can summarize results. As you can see, thanks to this strategy, I managed to make my balance more than 3.5 times bigger, and this is just the perfect result considering the fact this strategy is as simple as possible to understand and apply. Well, and absolutely each of you could repeat the same result if you were trading together with me right now. By the way, today in my Telegram channel, I will run a free trading session on which each of you can make money, not spending much time on the trading. So the link to my Telegram channel is in the description, so don't miss your chance and join right now. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and bye-bye.